Hey everyone, this is Kashish Malik. I hope you are doing well. Do you know why are you not able to speak English? It's not because you are a slow learner. It's not because you don't have enough words. And it's definitely not because your grammar is not good. Then what is the reason? Why are we not able to speak English? The reason is simple that you are trying to learn English but you are not living it. Let me tell you guys, you are watching many videos, you are memorizing grammar rules, you are memorizing new words, but the main thing you are not doing, you are not speaking it. Let me tell you, English is not a subject. Like English can be a subject, but English speaking is not a subject at all. It is a language, it is a skill, and treat it like that. Tell me one thing, that when you were starting to learn your own native language or Hindi, were you at that time also translating it? Were you at that time also remembering grammar rules? Were you memorizing new words? No, na. You just started speaking. In the same way, you need to do this. And this whole video is about the same. Today, I'm going to give you a challenge, and you need to accept this challenge. Why am I giving it? So that my or your mind cannot give any lazy excuse. Now, let me tell you what is there. In this challenge, you need to follow two rules. First, from now to next 2 to 3 minutes, you are not allowed to speak your own native language or any other language. You need to speak only in English. It does not matter words don't come. It does not matter you speak something wrong. It does not matter people are laughing at you. But you cannot speak in Hindi. You only need to speak in English. And I would like to suggest you that please go in a room where no one is sitting there so that you can feel a bit comfortable. And one more rule is that we are going to do conversation. In that conversation, I or you will not use a single word. Like we are not going to reply in a single word. Obviously, you will reply and I will ask something to you and I will pause, like I will stop for 5 seconds. I know 5 seconds are not enough to answer or reply something. So, what you need to do is in those 5 seconds, pause the video and express as much you can express yourself. Okay. And please do not use Hindi. Let's start it. Lights, camera, action. So, tell me your name. Where do you live? What is one thing which made you smile today? Now describe the room you are sitting in, like, or any place where are you sitting? Just describe that place. Now tell me your three goals which you want to complete this year. Let's clap for you if you have done this. If you haven't, then please do it. It's very important for you. Now tell me one thing, guys. Was that very impossible? Was it something which you can't do? Let me tell you, you can do everything in your life. The only thing which you need to change is that do not give up. Just try. And one more thing, please practice, practice, and practice. That is the only thing which can make you perfect in anything. In English speaking, also, you will become fluent automatically. Just try, just speak. Okay. Now, I would like to suggest you one more thing, that please, while being real, if you found this video valuable, please subscribe to my channel. What will happen by that is I will get to know that how many people wants to learn English and should I continue to make videos or not. Apart from it, it's your choice. Please keep practicing and do not watch any stuff which is just demotivating you. Thank you. Bye.